Hello friends, in last lecture we discussed about the uh, four-stroke diesel engine, four-stroke petrol engine, classification of IC engine and parts of IC engine. Next we have to discuss two-stroke petrol engine. Right? In a four-stroke, the cycle completes in the two revolutions of the crankshaft. In this, the cycle completes in a one revolution of crankshaft. Right? Two strokes are done at a time. So, in this, valves are absent. In this two-stroke engine, ports are present. Right? This is a transfer port. This is piston. This is cylinder, this is exhaust port, this is transfer port, and this is inlet to the fuel, right, or charge. So I will discuss this first point. I will discuss this is connecting rod, this is piston, this is case, crankcase, this is called as crank case. So I will show you a diagram from book. Okay, this is okay. See here, this is the diagram. This is transfer port, this is inlet, this is exhaust port, this is piston, cylinder, this is spark plug, crankcase. Okay, for this question will ask for 7 marks or 5 marks, right? By using both side of piston, the 4 strokes are completed in a 2 strokes of piston and 1 revolution of a crankshaft, right? So no walls are present, ports in the cylinder are covered and uncovered by the piston. When piston moves, this will uncovered and this will covered. So this is covered portion. Okay, right. Next, piston moves down in the cylinder, right? Piston moves down in the cylinder. Above the piston, the ignited charge expand and forces the piston down, creating the working stroke, right? When this shaft is up at the topmost, here spark plug ignites and this explosion push the piston down. About 2/3 of the way down, the exhaust port is uncovered. About 2/3. When it comes down, exhaust port is uncovered. The burned gases leaves the cylinder. Further downwards, the piston transport port is open, right? Then port is uncovered, which is allow the fresh mixture into the cylinder. At the rear side of the piston act as a pump to feed. When this comes down, then when charge in this crankcase comes from the inlet ports, the piston produces pressure and charge goes from the transport port, right? Transport ports. The one-way inlet valve is closed at this stroke. This is one-way inlet valve at this stroke. When piston moves down, first uncover the exhaust port, burnt gases leaves the engine, and when further it downs, the pressure creates on the charge and this charge goes or transfer from the transfer port to the chamber, combustion chamber, right? Next, piston moves upward. At this time, the inlet valve opens or inlet returning valve opens and charge enters in the crankcase. Then first these 2 ports are covered and piston compresses the air fuel mixture in this combustion chamber. Then the cycle repeats, right? This is all about the two-stroke petrol engine, right? This question will ask for 2 marks, for 7 marks or for 5 marks, right? So this is very simple question. If you have any doubt, then ask me on phone, right? Next, comparison between, comparison, this is also very important, of 4-stroke and 2-stroke cycle, right? First comparison I'll write in a short. So first comparison, the cycle completes in a 4-stroke. So this is 4-stroke and this is 2-stroke, right? Cycle completes in a 4-stroke and 2 revolution of crankshaft. This is in 2-stroke and 1 revolution of crankshaft, right? See here, next point, 1 power stroke in 2 revolution of the crankshaft and 1 power stroke in 2 revolution and 1 power stroke in 1 revolution, right? Then the less uniform turning movement, hence flywheel needed is heavier. So flywheel is heavier and here lighter, right? Flywheel is heavier and here lighter, right? So no seal crankcase in 4-stroke engine, no seal. In this, sealed crankcase is used. In 4-stroke, maintenance is more. In this, no maintenance or lower maintenance. So valves are used in the 4-stroke and in the 2-stroke valves are absent, right? This is a difference between 4-stroke and 2-stroke. Next, petrol engine and diesel engine, right? In this, spark plug is present. In this, fuel injector is present. So in a petrol engine, air fuel mixture or charge enters in combustion chamber. Here air enter in combustion chamber. Here carburetor is used for mixture. Here air filters are used, right? The petrol engine lighter, heavier. Compression ratio is high in this because air is compressed. This compression ratio is lower. Then engine is simple engine and engine is complicated engine. Life of diesel engine is more and life of this petrol engine is less, right? These questions will ask in 5-number question, the difference between 4-stroke engine and 2-stroke engine, difference between petrol engine and diesel engine, right? So this is all about the IC engine. In next lecture we have to discuss applications. Will ask for 2 marks question. The applications of IC engine, right? One is for power generation, hydraulic pumps, then 2-wheelers, 3-wheeler, 4-wheelers, aero engine, helicopters, marine engines, locomotive engines. This is all about the applications of the IC engine. In next lecture we discuss about the refrigerator, compressor and AC, and then we solve the question papers, right? Very simple chapters. Then thank you. If you have any doubt, please ask me or call me on my number. Thank you very much.